Good morning. It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. So, how's everybody doing? Sarah and I have a good morning, Vic. How are you? Sarah and I have a cha-ching chats that will premiere later today as soon as we record it. Sarah was under the weather last week, and we did not get to keep to our schedule. So we will be recording 2 podcasts today, one for this week and one for next week. And then hopefully we will be back on our schedule. Vic says, forgot my alarm and woke up late. I didn't really sleep, so my alarm went off and I turned it off and laid there for another, 5 or 10 minutes, but that was about it. I was really waiting for it to go off so I could get up. I didn't sleep well, so I felt like there wasn't any reason to stay in bed and continue to not sleep. Might as well get up and get some work done. So I've been working on some stuff this morning. I got some things accomplished. Super happy about that. After this, I'm going to get my puppies fed and outside, and then get back to work. If we have any questions, throw them in the chat. We'll get them knocked out. So yeah, we got cha-ching chats will premiere today. Tomorrow is the call with the paid members. We've got a couple new paid members since last week. I'm thrilled that they are with us. I hope they join us in the call tomorrow. Thursday is this call, then immediately follows Chris's call, and then at 1 p.m. Eastern is text call. So I will have a few calls on Thursday. Good morning, Freya. So while I still don't have any consultation appointments available, I do have several calls available to ask questions in. I was down 1.6 pounds this morning. And yesterday I just felt like, even though I got a pudgy belly, it felt much flatter than usual. So the inflammation, bloating, all the stuff seems to be going away. And I am thrilled about that. It's supposed to be super nice here today. So like in the 70s, this is like my weather. So one way or another, I have to get outside for at least a little bit. First nice, super nice day, and we've had in a while. So let it get warmed up a little bit, and maybe I'll take the laptop and go sit on the deck or something and work. Got to do something. I got to get some sunshine. Excuse me. All right. Excuse me. Do we have any questions? If you are on my list to get your taxes done, please, please, please use the checklist to make sure that you have everything in the file, in the Dropbox. It takes me a lot longer when I have to go through the file first and then find out it's missing stuff. And then I have to take the time to send the person an email. And then I have to wait for the person to respond. And then the person responds, and then I get it and I get started, and only to find out that I'm still missing something. So I'm not charging you guys the extra time that it's taking me to do this stuff. So please do the stuff. And Freya says, my computer crashed and I lost all my info. I'm still trying to catch up. Oh, that's horrible. Doesn't help you now, but I'm one of those super redundant people. I have always had an external hard drive. Here recently, I went ahead and purchased a subscription to Dropbox. So now everything is backed up to my external hard drive, and my external hard drive is backed up to Dropbox. And then all of my photos are backed up to also not only the external, not only to Dropbox, but also to Apple and Google. Yeah, I'm a little weird when it comes to my photos. So I don't keep much. I mean, obviously I've got stuff all over these walls, but I don't decorate out in the rest of my house is photos of family and times, good times, and a lot of it is things that my husband and I have done in the last almost 12 years. So yeah, love my photos. That's why I have my phone. It's for business and taking pictures. But anyway, I'm really struggling with missing information, and it just takes a lot longer to have to, go in multiple times and go back through all the information, because you pretty much have to start from the beginning and go through everything all over again each time you have to go put in a new piece of the puzzle. So because things change, one thing over here could change things before it and after. So you have to start and methodically work your way through. So if you watch my, here's my Jamesy boy. He just turned over. If you watch my OLT video where it talks about, how to go through OLT and use it to do your taxes, I think I say in there, hopefully I say it multiple times, but I do say it on a regular basis. Be methodical, one step at a time. Look at the order that it asks you for things. Very carefully put each item in. Make sure that you double check all the information that you're entering. I have done a lot of calls with people where they've gone in and they've started, and then they want me to just look it over, and they've missed a lot of information. I have recently been made aware that it's not as intuitive as I think it is. So once tax season is over, I will be working very hard to bring more content to help everyone have a better understanding of bookkeeping, of the categories, of taxes, of deductions, of the whole 9 yards. I'm thinking I'll probably do a lot of shorts content. If anyone is watching that can instruct me on the best way to do the SEO and the titles and things like that for shorts, where you get all your hashtags and all that crap, I would really appreciate it, because I can do the content. I can do the little short videos. I can do short videos. I can do slightly longer videos. But when it comes to building the titles, I mean, look around my channel. My titles are very much the same all the way through. Like, this one is just the same title with a new date. So at least it keeps it in order for you. But I'm very, very much a creature of habit about certain things. I like things being streamlined and easy, and everything staying the same. So it makes it, I completely overthink titles and structure and descriptions and whatnot when it comes to posting things. So if anybody has any pointers on that, I'm all ears. So we are 12 minutes in. If we have questions, I am happy to answer your questions. We've got several people watching. Only 2 have spoke up in the chat. So hello to everyone that's out there. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new to my channel. I do this Monday through Friday, and then I have a Facebook group. I have a paid membership group, and I do calls in a few other groups. And then I do a podcast with Sarah on Tuesdays. They get pre-recorded and they go live Tuesday afternoons. So there will be one coming up today. We're going to switch things up a little bit. We do have a membership for Cha-Ching Chats, and we will be doing some activities for members of that group. I'm going to be doing calls inside of that group that are more brainstorming, trying to get you up to speed on different revenue streams. Anything that you might like to do, help you build those out. Brainstorming, do have like a mastermind call in there. And then Sarah will be talking more in depth about a lot of the side hustles and things that she does. So she's done a lot of different things to earn money with, like, all the different kinds of driving jobs and mystery shopping and just all kinds of stuff. And I've never figured out how any of that stuff works. So, I mean, the driving, sure, but I'm not doing one of those. I want anything that I can sit here and behind my computer and do. So yeah, so I've got lots going on. The biggest thing right now is I need to get through tax season and get all these things done so I can get back, back to my normal day-to-day and not be working 14, 18, 20 hours a day. So, alrighty. Well, I don't see any questions popping up, so I'm going to get back to it. You all have a blessed, wonderful day. Enjoy the weather. If you are somewhere where it's going to be warm, get outside, get some sunshine, get that vitamin D, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Bye. You too, Vic.